Hey guys, in this video I will show you how basically fix lagging or stuttering when playing NBA 2K23. So I had the same issues, and once I apply these changes, my basically lag and stuttering was fixed. So try it for yourself, and if I help you and if I do not, just basically comment in the comment section below. Let me know basically if I help you out or not. Right, so what you need to do here is to load up your game and then go to features, and then you need to go to video settings and then scroll down until you see advanced settings. And what you need to do here is to basically make shader detail level medium or even low. I tried medium and it worked fine for me, and if it's not for you, medium is not working, then try low. Then shadow detail level same, texture detail level medium, layer detail level medium, crowd detail level medium, media people detail level medium, and hair detail medium, right? And then I just apply changes and my lag and stuttering gone. Right, so that's pretty much it. Try it for yourself, and if it worked out, just comment in the comment section below and press the like. Right, so that's pretty much it, and